So off camera, we got the motor completely assembled. Everything's ready to go there. Now we're going to get the clutch and flywheel put on, and then we should be able to get the trans on and finally get it back in the 240. Take a look at that. What am I looking at here? And take a look at that. Well, that's a problem. Because you see, like, this has 2 holes in it. And that only has 1 hole in it. Sick. So we fixed this. We just drilled it out. And then now it works. That's load leveler time. We ain't made out for this type of work. It's a little hot in here. This isn't me, it's a little fucking warm in here, boys. I can lose the heavy coat. Woo! My lower back is fucked on that. Why would you lift with your legs? Just lift with your back. That's a bad angle. Definitely. Give it a little more if you want. But, so you can go lower if you need to. I'm just trying to get this fucking centered. Katie walks right now. A little bit. How much room do I have to go back that way? You're good. Just a little bit, about like an inch and maybe a quarter. Right there. More angle tech on it. You remember last time you had to crank her out? Wasn't. You have to lift it from the other way. No. Ooh. Oh, the hot boy shit. You won't see it back there anyway. I hope not. You just fucked it up. There's no other way that we're really gonna. Yeah. We're gonna plumb your ass in there. Push it forward more.
We have to go lower.
Lower it?
Yeah. Lower.
Lower. Lower.
Yeah.
No?
We're way past it. We've never been way past it, have we?
No. What's fucking really going on? Is this fucking Dave Fryburger tech right here? Just fucking pop it right in?
Did we fucking forget to do something this
Hold on, wait.
time?
I'm confused right now. What is wait?
Did we fucking forget something?
Hold on, no wait.
Did we forget something?
Wait. Last time it was nowhere near simple as that. I can assure you. Even with the intake off. So,
If you lower it, this is how I go in.
I know it will.
What about that?
Probably.
Lower it more.
I'm extremely fucking confused though. I do want to do this before I even try this. You should come over on this side, honestly, and just hold it and do this side first. Because that header's just going to fuck us.
We need more. I mean, that's making it better. Like, if you lower it right there, it's pretty close. Is
That one's
that
still
the
in,
one?
yeah.
Because we're close.
Just me doing.
We're
Is that me? Just me
no,
pushing
stop.
out?
We're in.
You're not touch.
Yeah, we're in.
Is this about to go in?
Yeah.
We in?
Easier than last time.
Hell yeah, dude! Big high five. Yee! Yee! Big fucking yee. And that was much easier than the first time, dude. Fuck right off.
That took what, a half hour?
Not even. Hey, look. Look. Move the flag. Honestly. There's still fucking daylight out. Come on now. Yeah, dude. Whew, big whew. Well, if you ever need an LS1 installed in a 240, you know who to call. We're getting it fucking down packed here, boys. Fucking right. And there was no wood used this time either. Didn't have to smash it in.
Didn't mess up those fucking threads for it.
No. Wow. I thought by us smashing in the first time, that was going to fuck us for any other time you ever had to do anything with that.
Yeah.
So there we go. The LS is back where it belongs, and Mike's 240. Tune in for the next video where we get this thing finished up and started. As always, I'd like to thank each and every single one if you're watching. If you'd like to subscribe for more mediocre content such as this, please do and take care.